Along with our local supplier and channel partner, Sherbiny Holdings, we at MSA Safety are Saudi Arabia's leading force in the field of gas and flame detection technology. Together, we've been trusted suppliers to Saudi Aramco for over 30 years. Representing MSA Safety in Saudi Arabia for almost 35 years, Sherbiny has a proven track record of expertise in gas and flame detection. With its extensive experience and industry knowledge, Sherbiny's teams can help customers choose the right safety solutions for extreme environments and challenging applications. They also provide MSA product training and countrywide support for Aramco sites. Through Sherbiny, we bring pioneering technology to the kingdom. As part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, Aramco invited MSA Safety and Sherbiny to take part in its in-kingdom Total Value Add program. We were happy to support the ICFA initiative, through which key suppliers invest in the future growth of the company and the country. This encourages the development of local manufacturing, which opens up new employment opportunities. Under the ICFA program, Sherbiny's manufacturing division, Atheel, has been given the approval for the local assembly of MSA Safety's General Monitors S5000 gas monitor. Reflecting our commitment to Saudi Arabia, this development makes the premium H2S gas detection technology available to Aramco and its third-party suppliers as a locally manufactured product.
The S5000 is MSA's state-of-the-art gas monitor. It reliably detects various combustible and toxic gases, including hydrogen sulfide. The gas detector smart H2S sensor features advanced TruCal technology for higher levels of safety and performs automatic sensor self-check every 6 hours. The sensor can also adjust its sensitivity, which allows manual gas calibration to be extended up to 24 months. For extra reassurance, a fault signal is given if the sensor ever fails due to old age or a blocked inlet. For me, it's really satisfying to know I am helping to keep Aramco's workforce safe. Where there is a danger from H2S gas leaks, the S5000 detector provides them with a higher level of protection.
Sherbiny has been MSA Safety's channel partner for their General Monitors gas and flame detectors for more than 3 decades. Over that time, we have developed an exceptionally strong business relationship with MSA and with our customers here in the kingdom. Our team of experts works closely with Saudi Aramco to understand their requirements and meet their expectations using the latest technologies. We are proud that our Atheel facility and the product lines we manufacture, like the General Monitors S5000 gas monitor, have earned ICTVA approval. Supporting Aramco's initiative to boost local manufacturing and investment is critical to our country's future, and we are delighted to be part of that journey towards Vision 2030.
We at MSA Safety are excited to be part of this new venture with our long-standing channel partner, Sherbiny. We welcome the chance to support Saudi Aramco and the Kingdom in its efforts to strengthen the local economy and create new jobs. We're also delighted to have received ICTVA approval from Aramco for our S5000 gas monitor. Aramco is a highly valued customer, and our relationship with Aramco will grow ever stronger as we continue to serve our large customer base in Saudi Arabia. Sherbiny's new Atheel manufacturing facility will help further by speeding up deliveries, improving local customer service and maintenance capabilities, and giving even greater confidence to our world-leading safety products. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Sherbiny for its unwavering support of the MSA mission, that men and women may work in safety and that they, their families, and their communities may live in health throughout the world.
Contact us to learn more about the ICTVA-approved General Monitors S5000 gas monitor.